What is a friend? According to definition, a friend is a person attached to another by feelings of affection or personal regard, or a person who is with good terms with another, a person who is not hostile. Do we regard God as our friend? Are we, as the first definition says, attached to God with affection? Are we at good terms with God? Do we count Him as our ally and not our enemy? Most people will say that they are in good terms with God and they are friends with Him, yet do not feel any personal regard or affection towards Him. So, are we really friends of God or Jesus? Does just saying we are friends fulfill it all, or are we missing something? How can we be true friends of God? An experience of friendship with God has to begin from our own human experience. Well, for a start, you can look at the person beside you. How can you be true friends with that person beside you? God created us in His image and likeness. Jesus also says, love your neighbor as you love yourself. God is present in each of us, so if we are true friends to our teachers, classmates, and everyone we meet, we become true friends of God. This means friends should make time for each other. We need to spend time with someone to get to know that person better, to be able to share in that person's joys, sorrows, triumphs, and trials. This means that friends should make. It also means that there may be periods when a friend is away or seems to be absent, but that doesn't mean the friendship is gone. Finally, we should allow our friends to grow, even if that would mean they become more different from us. In ending, I wish to quote from John chapter 15, verses 9 to 17, to capture what I think is the true meaning of friendship. The Gospel of John says, "Greater love has no one than this, to lay down one's life for one's friend." At this point, we want to present to you this inspirational video called The Kindness Chain. We hope you like it.